Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to deposit money in Phantom Wallet. So you will have two options in order to deposit the money in your Phantom Wallet. In the first method, you can directly buy USDT or SOL in your Phantom Wallet. For that, you need to simply tap on the buy option on the home page and select Solana. Then you need to enter the amount of Solana that you want to purchase, and here you can even use these presets. After selecting the payment method, you need to simply tap on the buy option and you need to simply conclude your payment, and this way your money will be deposited in your Phantom Wallet, basically by directly purchasing via Phantom Wallet. Now in the second method, you can send the money from any other exchanges to your Phantom Wallet. For example, you have Bybit account and you have some Solana in your account, and now you want to send that Solana in your Phantom Wallet. So in order to do it, you need to first of all launch your exchange, then tap on the assets tab and select the withdraw option. Now you need to use the search bar and you need to search for SOL if you want to send SOL, USDT if you want to send USDT, basically that particular crypto in the form of money which you want to send from your exchange to the Phantom Wallet. For this example, I'm going to select Solana. Now it will ask you to provide the deposit address. So in order to get the address, open your Phantom Wallet and tap on the receive option. Here you will see Solana's address, so you need to copy it from here. Then go back on this page and paste the address in this section. In the network, you need to make sure that you select the same network, the address of which you have copied. Afterwards, in the amount, enter the amount that you want to withdraw and tap on the withdraw option in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. On the next page, you need to review your details and confirm your transaction. Now once the transaction is completed, within a few minutes you are going to receive your money in your Phantom Wallet. So if this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe to the channel, and also don't forget to share it with your friends and family members. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.